Hey everyone, what's up? This is Stephen Casey Ralphin here, and welcome to another model rating video. So today I have some new cars I want to show you guys. So there's these new cars that I got. I recently got these from Hiawatha Hobbies, and they came in since last week, and I haven't been able to do a video on these just because I've been busy with personal life and also the rail fanning. But anyways, I have some new cars I'm going to show you guys. So you can see I have another Walthers. I have some Walthers mainline. One's the single pack and this one's a 3-pack. And also some ScaleTrains freight cars up here. These are all from Hiawatha Hobbies, so I'm really glad with this. So we'll start off with the ScaleTrains ones. You may be wondering, what were they? So, it's these. It is the ribbon counter, ScaleTrains ribbon counter Bepgons, Conrail Bepgons. So, as you can see, I got from Walthers Hobbies. They had the Hollidaysburg decal on the top. You can see right there. Because that's what those Bepgons have. Those Conrail Bepgons that you find on ScaleTrains have. You can see that decal on the top. It's got that. Pretty cool. So, there's a ribbon counter. And the other one is another one. So, as you can see, if you can look carefully, they have some different variants by the Conrail can opener logo, because one of them is a smaller one, this one's a little larger. So there's basically some variants of these. So there's that. And for the Walthers ones is I have another RD4 hopper. So this is another road number I don't have, because I was able to write down a list on the ones of road numbers I don't have. So this is one I'm pretty sure I do not have. So there's one. And of course, the 3-pack is the second half. This is the second 3-pack I have. So now it looks like I have all the road numbers of the RD4s. So got all that. So it's pretty cool. So this, because as you know, now I have more hoppers to add to the ScaleTrain to complete it, because I'm nearly completing it. Because I think I need to order just a couple more, because I do have another set that's on the way. So I'll do a video on those coming in the next distant future, depending on how it goes, because summer seasons can be pretty busy with pre-orders, so we'll see how that goes. So anyways, I got these. So, and I also might think about doing a review on these, because I already did reviews on these already, so hopefully I'll do a review on these soon, so expect that in a future video. So anyways, that's it. So now I'll show what they look like outside the packaging next. Alright, so now here are all the coal hoppers officially out of their packaging. So here are the ScaleTrains Bepgons. You can see they're very nicely detailed. You can see they got a very nice roof and all that, and lots of detail. Very nice. And you can see if you look carefully, you can see the logo variants. Well, this one has a smaller one, and this one has a little bit of a larger one. So you can see the variants they have done. So it's pretty cool. Very nicely detailed. And now the RD4s, as you can see, as I showed in my previous video, these are nicely done as well. All that was, and even though it doesn't have much detail on them because these are budget friendly, but still nice. Very nice cars. So, I'm really glad with how these turned out, and I'm really excited to add these to the coal train next to distant future, because I'm almost done completing it. So hopefully after this I might think about doing BNSF coal train, or even do intermodel. But if I do the intermodel, I'm just going to have to start with just getting the well cars first, because containers are hard to find. Because some containers are really hard to find, especially ones you're looking for, the ones that you're particularly looking for. So anyways, so this is it. So that's basically it for these cars, because you can see they're very nice, and I really look forward to adding these to the layout. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Alright, have a good day everybody.